If you want to use astrology to see if you two are romantically compatible, here are some basic pointers. And remember that compatibility is not yes or no, it's more of a how so, because charts can work together in many different ways. Sometimes it's a really positive relationship, but it's only in the career sectors. Sometimes there's a ton going on that's chaos romantically, but it's not long lasting, so it's less yes or no and more how so, and here's how to tell. Firstly, trines between your planets and their planets are very strong. Trines are the most positive, easy aspect, and when you have planets in a different sign of the same element, they're said to be trine. They're players that get along on the same team. For example, this chart has planets in Scorpio, that's trine to my Jupiter in Pisces. Same element, different signs. Secondly, having planets in their 5th or 7th houses. Now, this is not my chart, it says my name, but ignore that. The 5th house is dating and sex, and the 7th house is committed relationships. So having their planets in your 5th or 7th, or your planets in their 5th or 7th, shows that that is a topic between the two of you. Versus some relationships have only family or career. It shows that the romantic relationship is not part of that. Thirdly is a lack of difficult aspects from Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, or Pluto. These are the challenging aspects, so a lack or a minimal amount of them is really positive. For example, this chart has Saturn opposing this chart's Venus. That's kind of a buzzkill. And yes, we will always have a certain amount of challenging aspects, but a ton of them usually means the relationship does not get off the ground. So squares, oppositions, and conjunctions from Mars or Saturn in particular, pretty hard. And remember that we will always have a certain amount of both positive and challenging aspects. It's about the way that they're working together and weighing each out.